Good morning.
Good morning.
Brooke and
Jeremy.
Here with our Hillside Homestead. And today we are going to do a video on homemade natural cough drops. This is something that works in our home. Today we're just going to do the basic recipe. I really wanted to do the ginger, lemon, and honey recipe. I thought I had ginger at home. So when we were in town yesterday, I didn't grab any at the store. So we're not doing that one today, and that's okay. I really wanted to do the one my Aunt Katie wants me to try about the cayenne, adding the cayenne in there, but I had a hard time finding that recipe, and we haven't personally tried it, so that's probably something we'll do in the future once we've had the recipe and we tried it and we know how it works for us. So let's start. We have our little ice cube trays, once again, from the Dollar Tree. Okay, you need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I already put it in the bowl. Okay, you need a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Don't show. So it's going in there. And then we're going to do a 1/2 cup of, we're going to need that, raw honey. Read it out for me. Now, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you would have saw the cough drops I made the other day. They're pretty big, so I usually cut them in half, and then today I thought, why not just fill it halfway and make my life easier? So today we're going to fill the cube trays half full, so I don't have to cut them in half anymore. Alright, so Jeremy got that raw honey for me.
Yes, we are using raw, totally organic honey. I don't know. They say it is.
Hopefully, in the near future, we will have, our own honey that we will be able to provide our home and some neighbors with, and friends and family. Okay. So we're going to mix this up. No, not yet. No. I'm not ready for that yet. Jeremy's going to whisk this up for me. And let's talk about some benefits of this real quick. You have cinnamon, that's known for naturally suppressing cold symptoms. Honey is known to naturally suppress cough. It's also very beneficial. If you get honey from your area, it's very beneficial to help reduce your allergy symptoms during the pollen season. If you start taking just a tablespoon a day. Coconut oil is amazing, and I love it, and I use so much of it in the house. It's full of antioxidants. It is rich in lauric acid, which is antibacterial and antiviral. So if you have cold symptoms, this could help reduce the length of your cold, or prior to having a cold, it could possibly help not get a cold during cold season. So these are some reasons that I really love this recipe. Yeah, you mix that.
Oh, I am. I am. No lumps. No lumps.
I forgot a spoon. I'll be right back. Jeremy's going to continue to mix, and then...
Oh, yeah. I'll just continue to mix this up here. You guys can sit and watch. Show the video here.
Okay, so even though I didn't have ginger, I still wanted to do the recipe with some lemon. But I'm going to do half without some lemon juice. And we'll put that in the freezer for 20 minutes. And now that they're actually cut in half, it can probably go in the freezer a little less, but I'm going to keep the time the same. And then once that half is in this tray, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. I had a tiny lemon from the tree, and I just used half of it. I didn't even squeeze it all the way. I just kind of gave it a little squeeze. Oh, let's see. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. There's not much in there, just a little bit. That looks good. will fill these trays halfway.
Shh. Dogs.
I'm going to do this. I'm going to freeze them, and then we'll come right back. So we added some lemon to the second batch. We actually put it into the bag to make it easier to put in the trays. I was having some difficulty, and this was Jeremy's idea. And as I was sitting here thinking about it, not everybody has ice cube trays, so another way you can do this is you can take a cookie sheet and some parchment paper, a bag, and cut a hole in the tip, and this would be an easy way. You can make different shapes, however you want to do it, and then pop it in the freezer. So we are going to finish filling up this tray with the added lemon, which, by the way, I did try it off the spoon and it was pretty good. So give us a few more minutes and we will be right back. Hello, we are back. The 20 minutes is up and this is what we have now. Here we are. Now, in comparison to how we've been doing them, here's the size difference. Okay, I definitely think I like this size better. These were harder to pop out of the trays. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think I might just keep doing the bigger size and cutting them in half, just because they were definitely a lot easier to pop out of the tray. And
it's a good idea though.
But it was a nice try. Anyways, they still turned out great. So what you want to do is get a jar. We'll use the other jar. That's fine. We're going to use this jar. And you put all of your cough drops you made into the jar. You can put them in a bag if you don't have a jar. Close the lid and then they stay in the refrigerator and they're ready when you need them. Please don't put the glass jars in the freezer just in case there's little ones watching that want to try it, because the glass will explode in your freezer. So only in the fridge and they're ready for you to use.
That's right.
That's it. See you next time. Oh!
Don't forget
to subscribe to our page.
And like.
And share.
And share.
Alright, take care.